Oh, drop a jail and me pan concrete. Now tell me loud badness coulda we a BG. Oh, iPhone me.
Viewers and subscribers, so Intence drop a song entitled So Me Feel. People me come to give my honest opinion about this song. So watch the video all the way to the end. So people, before we jump into this review, like the video, share the video, subscribe to this channel, turn on a post notification so whenever I have a new upload, you're the first one to get notified. People, in this song, Intence I tell you how him feel about people. So come to give me your opinion.
Every day is something new, every day is something about me. When business you do now,
so people have to big up Intence and this intro. So people in the intro, Intence I say yo every day is something new. So people, Intence I say yo every day them have something to say about me. And you don't know Intence name viral in the media. So you have to talk about Intence. So people, we are going to continue in the intro.
Yes, that's the problem.
Urban team. Dog got just some fail. No give a fuck about society.
So viewers and subscribers, Intence I say yo, I true him a touch him girl. That is the problem why I make them live on him name. So Intence I say yo, him not give a F about society. Him not care about the people in the society. I don't know the people in the society. Them love bring down each other. So Intence I say yo, him not care about them who want to call up him name and them thing. They say Intence I say yo, I saw him feel about the haters them. So I could continue.
Society, yeah. Fire no shot, me been a menace, I'm a proud of it. Can't tell me you flame.
So viewers and subscribers, Intence I say yo, him fire a whole heap of shot and him not care. Him is a menace in the society. And that Intence basically make we know. And Intence I say yo, then can't tell him how to live. So Intence I say yo, him is a growing man, him live him life how him want to live it. And people, when it's a big man, nobody can tell you how to live your life. You live your life or you want to live your life. And that Intence I make we know say yo, nobody can tell him what him to do or what to do. Him am own man and do anything what him want to do with fame life. A fame life and you can't tell him how to live him life.
Woman, you want some fail. Can't tell me how to live. Me fuck you, me fuck she, and then me fuck.
So viewers and subscribers, Intence say yo, him a touch a bag of girl out there. Intence say yo, him just a live him life. Him just a go and enjoy fame life. And that's how me I get from where Intence I say in this song. Intence say yo, we just a touch a bag of girl. We just a live full life while people are meds full life when we now meds them. We just live full life out there, so and I do full thing. I saw we feel, I saw we want to live our life.
Fuck shit, yeah. Feed the day my gun run tree. I live yourself, pussy gal, I feel like love gal, well fuck gal, me not go run no side.
So viewers and subscribers, Intence a big up on the woman them must sell the front. So viewers and subscribers, you know you have a woman that sell the front. You have a lot of people criticize that woman. So Intence I say yo, if you are sell front for your life, you do what you want to do with your life. No make nobody tell you how to live your life. Or that Intence and make the female them know say yo, anything you wanna do on the proud that just do
me
nothing.
Me dance man and say me no feel like cigarette that weed fuck you a fi me choice. Pyramid in me.
So viewers and subscribers, you don't know you have a woman and a person would want to pick your woman for you and I say yo, why am I talk to the woman then already and them thing the Intence I say yo, him touch who him want touch. Any woman him want a fame life, him see something in other woman that where you don't see. So the girl him a go touch her. That Intence basically
I'm the world I think. You but believe in a God and the devil still. Christian can't tell me them never seen him out that good.
So viewers and subscribers, you know the tattoo were in a Intence forehead. So Intence I say yo, him tattoo in him forehead. Enough people I say yo, him not believe in a God. Christian can't tell him how to live him life and them thing there. Him know him believe in a God. I have whole heap of Christian them see him here. Them sincere me and then just a God church like them now do them thing. None of them not believe in a God. Then just a God church with keep up space. So Intence I say your Christian can't tell you how to live your life.
God just some fail. No give a fuck about society.
People have a whole heap of innocent people dead, young. You want to know how them people are dead. Very innocent people, them good people, them. So intense I say your brother are just life. You have to give thanks for life every time. And that intense I make we know. You're not too good for drop off of the earth. A whole heap of good people we see get feared way off of the earth. And them always say, yo, are the good people them always get dash way, and the wicked people them always dep on earth. We always hear it the saying there. So viewers and subscribers, if you have feel this song from Intense, let me know in the comment section, and you can also grade this song. How much you feel like you grade this song out of 10? Because people, this song is a very good song, and this song has sent a story. We get a storyline from this song.
Fire no shot, me been a menace, I'm proud of it. Can't tell me you flame, woman you are some fail.
So viewers and subscribers, Intense basically I tell you how him a grow, where him a come from. Intense I say yo, him used to have them thing upon him, used to fire a whole heap of shot, him used to be a menace in the society. Intense youth I tell you say yo, a far him a come from, he used to live the gangster life. Now him a live some good life, and whole heap of people tarnish him. And people no see it in the media, them a try to bring down the youth when them Intense. So Intense I say yo, you can't tell me how to live.
Me fuck you, me fuck she, and then me fuck she. Now feed the day,
So viewers and subscribers, Intense I say yo, for the day ain't gone about chi girl. Intense I say yo, him just a live him life and I have a whole heap of girl and I do film thing. I saw him feel about him life, and him no want nobody I tell him how him fi live him life or when him fi do with him life. Him a live film life the fullest, and people, anything you're comfortable with, you just go and do it. And that Intense basically I make we know. So
yeah, my gun run tree. And if you drop a jail and me bang concrete, now tell me loud badness coulda we your BG. Oh, iPhone me.
So viewers and subscribers, Intense I say yo, you see if me drop a jail, don't tell me loud the badness. Me want live the bad life. Me want live as a gangster in the street. Don't tell me say yo, me for put on the badness. Don't tell me oh me if you live my life. You live your life, me live my life. At that Intense I make we and know in this song. Don't tell me oh me if you live my life. Me live my life anyhow. Me want live my life. Me comfortable with the badness. So me always I go do the badness till whenever me feel like to change my life.
Me no go a cheat. No boy and no girl can never program me. Never. Do whatever me want. One life me get to know. Live it to the.
So viewers and subscribers, Intense I say yo, no boy can't study him or no girl can't study him, and one life him get and him a live it how him want. Intense go on in the song and say yo, we young, we just a live a life out here, and a whole heap of people have a problem with that to how we a live a life. So don't tell me oh me if live my life. Me comfortable living my life that way. That Intense I make we and know in this song, viewers and subscribers. So people, more all of the young fans them, drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me if you like this song from Intense. But people, Intense I tell we few theme story in this song, viewers and subscribers. And people, this song is a very good song. My opinion about this song, people, give 10.
To the fullest, me no live it for the crowd. I want yo, go suck your mother, you know. Can't tell me no, you don't even know my girl.
So viewers and subscribers, Intense I say yo, you no know how I grow. Me I live my life the fullest. Nobody can tell me what me fi do. You know far me I come from to be that person on top. You no know how far me I come from. Don't you no know nothing about my life, the things them when me go through in a life. So don't tell me how me to live my life. That Intense I make we and know viewers and subscribers. I say yo, him live him life, him a do and want do anything him feel comfortable with.
Dog got just some fair, yeah. No give a fuck about society, yeah. Fire no shot, me been a menace, I'm a pro.
So viewers and subscribers, you see if I follow the people them, you're not gonna reach nowhere in a life, cause you have too much pride at what your people are gonna say about you. For me I do something comfortable with what I do, go and pave the way, you will see a better way. That people who watch you Now see where you are do. So if you are do something, now watch what people are gonna do, or what people are gonna say. You not care about people, what people want to say about you. So you comfortable I do this, you continue to do this. Don't make people choose your life for you. You live your life to how you want to live your life. So people, this song I affiliate that song from Intent. Very good song, viewers and subscribers. People, me like the song. So if you like it, let me know. If I reach so far and you don't subscribe, please consider subscribing and turn on the post notification. So people, big up on yourself. I'm out.